This is how I restore my trim on my golf cart. I also use this on my camper, on the front tongue where my propane tanks are. I use a propane tank, propane torch. I heat it up to try to bring back some of the color. And once it cools down, I use an applicator that has a sponge on it and some type of a tire wet. I'm using a Black Magic, but there's a lot of different companies out there for trim and tire restore. And just wipe it down. Just careful so you don't burn a hole through your plastic if you're using the torch. And that's how I get it to look brand new again. If you like this, please give a thumbs up and subscribe.